Good morning, students. This is the next question. Example number 3 of NCERT, class 10th of exercise 1.1. This question is given before the exercise 1.1 of NCERT. Okay. So, in this question, we will try to understand. The question is, show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. Any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. You see, to prove this question, we will take a positive integer a and another integer b. Okay. So, you know the Euclid's division lemma, that is, if we have a positive integer a and another integer b, then a can be written as bq plus r. If we have an integer a and another integer b, then a can be written as bq plus r, where 0 is less or equal to r is less than b. Here we take b is equal to 4. Then a can be written as 4q plus r, and this r is greater or equal to 0 but less than 4. That is, r can be 0, 1, 2 or 3. If r is 0, then a is equal to 4q. It is even. If r is equal to 1, then a is equal to 4q plus 1, which is odd. If r is equal to 2, then a is equal to 4q plus 2, which is again even. And if r is equal to 3, then a is equal to 4q plus 3, again odd. Therefore, every odd positive integer can be expressed as 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. Question was, we have to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. So we have taken a positive integer a and another integer b. Then by Euclid's division lemma, we can write a equal to bq plus r, where 0 is less or equal to r is less than b. If we take b equal to 4, here we put 4, so a will become 4q plus r, and r is between 0 and 4, so r can be 0, 1, 2 or 3. If r is 0, then a equal to 4q. If r is 1, then a equal to 4q plus 1. If r is 2, then a equal to 4q plus 2, and if r is 3, then a is equal to 4q plus 3. This is even because it is multiple of 4. It is odd, this and this is even, this is odd. So these two are only the odd one. So every odd positive integer can be expressed as 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. Thank you. Good morning, students. Another question is, we have to show any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. For that, we will take another integer a and an integer b. Here b we will take at the place of 4, 6 we take. Let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 6. then applying Euclid's division lemma, we get integers q and r such that a can be written as 6q plus r. Here a is bq plus r and b is here 6. We have 6, so a can be written as 6q plus r, and 0 is less or equal to r is less than 6. Okay, that is r can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Less than 6 integers are 0 to 5. If r is equal to 0, then a is equal to 6q, which is even. If r is equal to 1, then a is equal to 6q plus 1, which is odd. If r is equal to 2, then a is equal to 6q plus 2, again even. If r is equal to 3, then a is equal to 6q plus 3, odd. If r is equal to 4, then a is equal to 6q plus 4, even. If r is equal to 5, then a is equal to 6q plus 5, odd. These are odd. So, every odd positive integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Thank you.